With both sides relying heavily on drones, Ukraine, which has had much more limited equipment and resources, has been more dependent, having many innovations to widen the capability. But with Russia having been the primary adopter of fiber optic cables in drone warfare, making it impossible to take down with electronic warfare as the signal goes through the cable. It does, however, limit the range much more, with terrain putting up more problems as well. It does help close the front line in a high electronic warfare environment, with Ukraine's drone army being claimed to have been using fiber optic FPV drones to strike this Russian vehicle carrying troops, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.